Okay, in this video what I'm going to do is just drive straight down this road all the way to the Taipa side. So we're in the Macau side, kind of in the central area. And we're probably going to catch some red lights here, which is normal. And we're going to also go by Macau Tower, so stay tuned for all that. Hey, check it out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay, here we are on a rainy day. Gonna do a little driving video across the bridge. I haven't drove across the bridge in a while, so we're gonna take advantage of the opportunity since I'm heading that way right now. So what we're gonna be doing at this moment is just following this little isthmus. Avenida de Praia Grande is basically this road that's all the tall buildings that are to the right. So to the right is what was historically always been in Macau, and then to the left is reclaimed land. And they did, I think they call it, is it Saivan? I think they call it Saivan Lake to the left. And you can see Macau Tower. So everything we're going to be driving on right now is this isthmus of manufactured land. And what we're driving on right now used to be, to the right would be the beach, and we'd be on the ocean already right here. And then this isthmus will go out, and they were able to do some like civil buildings, judicial court buildings, and some other stuff just to kind of move traffic away from the city to get it moving around a little bit better. So this whole point of this road right here is just to move traffic and then get it over to Taipa as well, which is where we're going today. And you can see Macau Tower right there. You can also see some bungee jumping is occurring because I can see somebody kind of dangling. I don't know if you can see that through the camera lens or not, but I can see it. We'll just keep the camera focused on that spot, and we're going to go directly to the bridge. Saivan Bridge it's called. And now you can see we're basically between two lakes. There's a lake to the left and a lake to the right, and they're both manufactured. And I'm not going to turn the camera to them, but they're there. And they but all of this used to be ocean, and they built this little isthmus, like a piece of land going out here. And we're going to take this roundabout, and then we're going to take the bridge. You can see glimpses of Taipa in the distance. And there's Macau Tower. Lots of construction, so they got some construction here as well. Oh, this bus is really going slow. At about 10 kilometers an hour. What? And so yeah, right here is Avenida, the panoramic view of Saivan Lake. And there's Macau Tower right there. And you can see our bridges to Taipa right there. Bara is part of Macau, so if you don't want to go to Taipa, we could exit left right there. But I want to go to Taipa. I want to show you what it looks like. Show you what the bridge looks like. I have filmed this bridge before, but it's always nice to see. Straight ahead on the other side is China. That's we'll get a view of some of what they're doing. They're building a financial district in Hengqin. So once we get up on the bridge a little bit, you'll be able to see that. Taipa's to the left and Hengqin, China's to the right, basically. And now we're on our bridge. I think I'm just gonna stay on the left. I think what we're gonna do is continue down this way, and then we're going to go left, and then you can see a little bit towards the waterfront, I guess you call it. But to the right is the Hengqin side over there, and to the left is the Taipa side, including this little, you can see that land right there to the left. They're doing more reclaimed land projects. They're always doing more reclaimed land projects, making Macau bigger all the time, and that's one of the latest ones. So I think it's kind of interesting. Looks like there's some vehicles out there now. Oh no, sorry. There's another bridge to the left. I'll bring the camera like that way. You can see lots of bridges over there. There's there's at least, was it 4 bridges over there? There's 2 more Taipa Macau bridges. There's also one that goes to Hong Kong over there, and then they're building a 4th one that's under construction right now. Straight ahead is Ocean Gardens. That's like straight ahead. That one over there is the financial district that they're building in Hengqin. Hengqin is part of China, mainland China. And I can see some of our Taipa Centro, Koloan. We're gonna go follow the Taipa Centro, which is kind of the waterfront area that we're gonna follow. Dang, this car is really going slow right here. Don't know why. Oh, because the car in front of him is going really slow. It is raining. It's funny because usually it's not good, but it's like people are either going too fast or too slow, and they're usually going way too fast. But today we had a really slow bus coming onto the bridge and a really slow car coming off the bridge. I guess that's better than too fast. Much better. Sometimes I'll see mainlanders jump across these bushes and run across. There's really nothing to run across to, so I don't. Yeah, but you can walk around it. There's like these bridges right here, so you can walk up and over and such. Huh, this car is really going slow, that red car. Kind of drive like a new driver, so there is a new driver school here, so I guess that could be a new driver that hasn't driven across that bridge before, maybe? I don't know. Anyways, I guess I should bring the camera over here so you can see what's over here a little bit. This is called Ocean Gardens. And I'll bring the camera back over here. You can't really see anything to the left really because of the bushes. But we are going to go up over this bridge over here. I guess you are getting a view of Macau and Taipa. Sometimes I feel like you need to have the dense areas, but I think not everybody needs to see that. They just want to see what it's like just to drive around in general. And this is kind of what it's like. You can go up in that little spot up there. Hiking trails up there. And there's the universities over there to the left. We're going to be driving a little bit towards a mall area. Nova Mall. Central Park, Taipa Central Park. So I'll probably, but my main goal is just to get you over the bridge and just kind of give you a little context of both sides. So you saw a little bit of that isthmus going towards Macau Tower, and over here you can see there's a hotel right there, El Tira Hotel. And now we get into Taipa Central. And yeah, it's a little bit of a rainy day today for sure. Okay. There's another hotel there as well. And now we're basically going back north, and I'm going to turn off the camera. But at least you kind of got a little bit of taste of stuff. Alright. A little bit more of Macau. Big trail up that way. Okay. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Yeah.